Over the past months, something extraordinary has been taking shape behind the scenes. While the public sees only glimpses, the real work never stops. Development continues. Infrastructure is being built. Strategic partnerships are forming. Inspired by one of the most powerful stories ever told, a story that changed history. And when the moment comes, you'll understand why. The legend awakens soon.
Follow us on YouTube channel, The Hidden Framework. I've transitioned into so many bodies that I've lost account. There were times when I found myself on different planets outside of Earth, even in the bodies of other beings. With each body transition, I realized I possessed new powers I had never had before. I found myself in the midst of impossible battles, wielding powers I didn't understand. Each battle begat another. I realized that dark forces trying to take over the universe were everywhere, and I was fighting against them. I had to win these wars at any cost. If we lose, all civilizations in the universe will lose. We can never allow that. I achieved the most victories while in the body of Rain Ronin, thanks to the abilities bestowed upon me, and there were many different stories while I was in that body. In the civilizations I visited, they began to call me the Ronin, who brings rain. Stories were told about me, stories that became legends. Even though the creatures I defeated were far from human, my victories spread by word of mouth from planet to planet. Songs were being composed about me, but nobody really knew who I was. I had transformed from Jason, who was an ordinary man in the past, into Ronin, the Rainbringer.
They buried me in silence, left me in the rain. I rose from every scar, every wound became my name. I am a shadow lost in a concrete jungle of the city. When justice is silent, I am the voice of that darkness, an unextinguishable ember in Jason's heart. A hidden heart to describe ember in Quinn's eyes.
Rain can wash away this bloody past. The truth of revenge shines on the tip of the sword. We are returning, rising from our ashes, unleashing a storm in the midst of silence.
We are two faces of a destiny written with a sword. We are the sharpest star shining in the heart of rage.
Our wounds are our armor, our pain, our greatest strength. This dark wedding of ours will last forever.
Rain Ronin, we are on guard under the rain. Jason and Quinn, We are now one breath.
While the sky weeps, we laugh at the storm. There is no need for a false mirror in this world anymore. Time stops when my sword is drawn from its sheath. There is neither hope nor mercy for the enemies. Old friends become enemies, old houses become graves, but only we write our story.
Silence! Pain! We burst!
the rhythm. It unlocks hidden truths. Dance with me through the secrets of time.